Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to play with friends on Stardew Valley mobile. Open the main menu, tap Co-op, and either host a farm or join a friend using invite codes or local Wi-Fi. Set farm rules, assign cabins, and sync progress before starting. Also check both players run compatible versions, choose cabins for each friend, enable chat or voice apps for coordination, and save often to avoid data loss. Want to host a Stardew Valley mobile farm? Set up Wi-Fi or invite-only access, pick farm type, and place cabins for friends. Decide on shared money or split chests, assign tasks like fishing or farming, and explain basic rules. Keep quick backups by saving to cloud or local storage, and communicate with players about schedules so everyone can join and enjoy the Coop experience. Joining a friend's Stardew Valley mobile farm is simple and fun. Get the invite code or be on the same local Wi-Fi, then accept the invite from the co-op menu. Choose your cabin, customize your character, and sync your settings. Talk about shared rules, save progress regularly, and use chat or a voice app for coordination. Be mindful of save transfers and confirm host permissions before making big farm changes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.